Hi everyone, we're gonna figure out another song by ear. This is from the same video game, Metro Last Night. It seems to have accordion soundtrack. We're gonna do the Virtuosos of the Metro. Let's have a listen, we'll figure it out by ear. Same key, A minor as the last song. Okay, so really, again, we have a 1-4-5 again for the song structure. This song's right hand seems a bit more complicated just because it has more notes in a shorter amount of time, but let's figure it out. So the left hand seems to be ba 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 ya ba 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 ya ba 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 ya ba 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 ba. Right, it's that 1-4-5, and except from going from the 1 to the minor 4, we go from the 1 to the 5. Let's listen. I'm listening now to the right hand, what it's doing. Again. Right, so far, I just an A minor, so I know that it's going to be one of those notes, and it's the highest one. Let's see where it goes. Oh, they do a cool hit. Right, so we're trying to figure out what patterns this composer is trying to use, right? So ba 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 da da ba 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 ba, and the D minor, it's D, and then A minor, it's the same kind of shape, and I'm assuming the E will be the same, or some sort of ending, right? Do da 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 boo ba ba da 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 boo ba ba da 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 da. Let's listen. So I would slow this down step by step, make sure I'm getting it right, but in general, it's that combination of notes, right? It's either or what happens there? So I'll have to review that. But song seems straightforward until now. I'm going to keep going. Oh, and the song gets pushed up. It's gonna get. I'm assuming it's just gonna do a +1. If you heard that, let's listen to it again. Oh, amazing. So this is a really cool lesson. The song's been bumped up 1 from an A minor to a B minor, right? So we were in, and now we're in. How do we do that? We play the 5 of the key that we're going to. So usually we're in our first key. Song's in A minor. A minor plus 1 whole note takes us to the B minor, and the 5 of the B minor is an F sharp. The F sharp major is the chord we have to hit to change from the original key of A minor. Here's what it sounds like. I'm just going to play it off the cuff. So, right? So hitting that prepares the audience and yourself to the next key. And usually when we hit a 5, it needs to land on the minor 1. So again, we were in A minor doing that ending. Right, let's see if that's really what they do. Listen to that hit again. Oh, we already changed. B minor, A minor, E to A minor, F sharp to B minor, B minor to F sharp. Right, the 5 to the 1. 1 major to 4 minor. 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Oh, and they push it up to the C sharp minor. Right? Oh, 2. It's cool. So they pushed it up instead of a full, they pushed it a full key, they pushed it up just slightly from the B minor to the C. Right, so we were in B minor. G. You don't have to go up 3 whole notes, but it's great practice to figure out how to play a song in different keys. I hope you enjoy the song. Look for the tutorial, the sheet music, and the performance on accordionlove.com. Enjoy.